Come on, Marshall. Come on. Oh, good job. You did it. I don't have a treat for you. Now he's going to proceed to scratch and dust bathe on my pants. They're clean pants. They're not that dirty. And that's what he does. He feels like at home. Marshall actually came to us. He was a day or two old chick. He was hatched in a classroom and all alone. Because birds need to be with other birds. He's definitely imprinted on humans. So we're trying to teach him things that chickens or roosters should do. So he still gets a little confused. But he should be friendly. He'll probably be a great pet for somebody. We'll see when the personality comes out a little bit more. Roosters can be a bit protective. So hopefully he'll be pretty friendly and we can find him a good home for him.
Pam, how old is he now?
Oh, when did he come in? He's got to be at least 2 months, 2.5. Still has a down on his head. He's mostly feathered out. But they're brand new and they're coated. But they're itchy, they're spiky. And a bird will naturally preen that off. Preen off the coating on the feather, revealing the feather.
Here at the MSPCA at Nevins Farm, every spring we receive dozens of calls from parents and from teachers who are looking to surrender unwanted chickens from their classroom hatching projects. And while a hands-on project of this type might seem like a good idea at first glance, we're truly encouraging our educators to consider the responsibility that's involved in caring for a chicken for its entire lifetime. In so many cases, we're unintentionally teaching our children that pets are disposable when we surrender them due to reasons that are simply a part of their nature. The MSPCA is happy to pair with local schools and educators to develop enriching and humane lessons in lieu of chick hatching.
This is a silkie rooster. Silkies are very individual or very unique birds, chickens, species of chickens or breeds of chickens, in the fact that their feathers are downy. They don't have the smooth outer feathers of a regular chicken. They also have, you probably can't see it, I don't know if he'll let me pick up a foot, but they have 5 toes instead of 4 toes. This you can see his foot there. He's got this extra toe. They also have purple skin, which you can't really see, but it's very dark skin. So they're actually very, very good for pets. They are docile. They do need a little extra care, just because they can't see much around them. They don't have a good range of view. And also they're not wind and waterproof with their downy feathers. But they make great pets for kids. They're usually pretty docile. They get along with other birds. So, it's a Silkie.